Let's go to page 135, example 1. It says sketch the curve 36x squared minus 64y squared equal to 2304. So first, you need to do is put in the standard form. So divide everything by 2304. And so the equation becomes x squared over 64 minus y squared over 36 equal to 1. So from here, before you sketch, let's get all the information first. Okay? So the x is positive. The x term is positive, so this is going to go in the x direction, means your graph is going to go this way. So you can first determine your direction. Next, you need to get your center. Since there are no parentheses, so your center is going to be 0, 0. Okay. And then from here, your a square. So from here, this is your a square. So a equal to 8. And b squared equal to 36. So b equal to 6. And again, from your geometry, this is 6, 8, 10 spatial triangle. Or if you don't get that, then you go a squared plus b squared equal to c squared. So you got 64 plus 36 equal to c squared. So c squared equal to 100. So c equal to 10. Okay. So once you get all this information, okay, you can go and start to graph. Now you also can do the a and the b first before you worry about the c. Okay, so let's go ahead and sketch these things out. Okay, so center is at 0, 0. Okay, and it's going to, so this is under the x, so this will go in the x direction, and it would be 8. So you go 8. Okay, so again, this is going to be the v. Okay, so but don't worry about labeling. Let's go and get the things first. Okay, so that's so this is the v, and then y in the y direction is 6. So again, from here, this is under the x, so it's going in the x direction. This is under the y, so going in the y direction. Okay, so go and draw your box. And then draw the asymptotes. And this going in the x direction. So again, the graph is always start at a v, and it going this way. Now you can worry about labeling. Now for this, you don't have to worry about the b. Okay, so this one over here. This would be the f. Okay, so this would be a comma 0. The f, again, we got it from here, right? That's 10, right? So this would be 10 comma 0. Okay, same thing over here. The v would be negative a comma 0, and the f over here would be negative 10 comma 0. By the way, notice this is also 10 right over here, the diagonal. So if you were to use this to draw a circle, notice it would go through that. Okay. So if you were the relationship between all these is that if you use this as a center and then you draw a circle, it will go through the corner of the box, because this is a radius, hypotenuse, which is also equal to that distance. Okay. So this will kind of help you to figure out if your graph is reasonable or not. So again, that's a relationship between the ellipse, the circle, and the hyperbola. Now, if you want to figure out this point over here, okay, remember this is a b squared over a, right? So b squared over a will equal to 36 over 8. And if you reduce, you get 9 over 2. Okay. So that's how much you have to go up. So that means, again, you start at 10, 0. When you go up, you have to plus the y. Okay, so this would be 10, comma. When you go up, you plus the y. Distance would be 9 over 2. And when you go down, this point over here, when you go down, this would be 10, comma. When you go down, you minus the y. Okay, so that's how you figure out those points. And same thing over here. Okay, so if you to go up to find the coordinate of those points, again, when you go up, you plus the y. So it would be 9 over 2. When you go down, you minus the y. So it would be negative 9 over 2. Okay, but make sure you start over here to go out this way to get this point. Then from here, you go out to get this point. And the length, the length of the lattice rectangle, this is only this part over here. The b squared over here is only this part. Okay, so the length is twice. So it times that. So length would be twice of that, so it would be 9. So that's all the things that you need to do. Okay, if they ask you.